Hello, this is Danny Wagner, and this is actually the first Dick Smith tribute photo book I did. The one that I already posted was actually number 2. So it's a nice signature from Dick himself, and it's just fantastic because we lost him last year. So it's so nice to have a signed autograph for my book. I'm going to go backwards like I did last time. It's a picture of Dick and that wonderful one, and some photos of beautiful makeups, as we all know. And like I said, they're all from different sources, and Hollywood Book and Poster. That was from Behind the Mask, I think. And this is from, I think, Make It magazine. Exorcist. Fantastic makeup. That might have been from Cinefantastic, I'm not sure. And this is definitely a smaller one. That's why I did number 2 for Dick Smith, because this book was a little smaller and shorter. It has some fantastic photos. Cinefantastic issue with all the Starman heads, and the famous Cinefantastic issue with Little Big Man. Actually, I think that was in Starlog. That one was in Starlog for the makeup issue. Famous Little Big Man, and famous one of Craig Reardon helping him. This is one actually I got from Hollywood Book and Poster. Really beautiful black and white of that Little Big Man makeup. And that one was actually, the first time I saw that was in the Richard Corson's Book of Stage Makeup, and then everywhere else. These photos are just so wonderful to have in one book. And these photos are from other special effects books and magazines. This was, I think I first saw that. Alter States one of large body makeup in his handbook. So this is the introduction, and that's it. So thank you for watching.